exploring a Zoom alternative called RingCentral. First thing that hit my eye was unlimited video meetings. Don't stop at 40 minutes. Work with your team on any device with unlimited meetings. There's also unlimited team messaging. Keep your projects organized by creating team chats for sharing files, assigning tasks, and more. Collaborate with your contacts. Start a video call or chat with any of your contacts. Since I haven't invited anyone, I just want to see what it's like to start a video meeting instantly. So let's hit the button and see what happens. Choose how to join the meeting audio. And we'll test to make sure it's working. Testing, testing, testing. It's working properly. Default speakers. I use a headset. I'm not going to test it because obviously I'm not wearing it. And you have a choice to continue into the meeting without audio or join audio. And I can even from here turn on the camera. Let's see how that works. No, I don't want to use IV cam. Okay, and another, right now they can't use that camera because I'm using it within the recording. But anyway, as you can see here, there's one participant. I can even share. Let's do that one. Oh, amazing. Works just like Zoom. I have two screens, so I have to select which one I want to share. And this is the one that all the action is happening on. So this takes care of the mic. The camera, as I said, the only reason it's not working right now is because I'm using it in the part that's recording this video. I can share my screen. That went very easily. There's only one participant. There's a chat. We can record the meeting. Let's see what's under more. Oh, virtual background. And I can't do that because the camera is not available. I need the camera for that. Enable closed captions. Invite people. Settings. And here are all the settings. I can send them feedback on problems I might have. I can also submit feature ideas. And there's a help button. I think I'm going to give this one a try and see just how it works, but I'll have to find somebody to invite. That's just a quick little look at a possible replacement to Zoom. And I'm using the free version, so this costs nothing. And apparently I can do things in here that I can't do in Zoom, especially if I don't have a paid version. So much for this one. Thanks.